main cabin door is now closed. Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with the lighted signs and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon. Please bring your seat back up and close your tray tables and fasten your seat belts. Food and beverages must be collected or put away for departure. I'll be coming by to collect any remaining items. Okay, great.
You're the anxious person. Huh? Not now? So all this business that we just had for the last hour and a half doesn't.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kelly Grace, and on behalf of our Captain Pratt and our First Officer Cramp, I'm happy to welcome you aboard our CRJ-550, flight number 4572, destination to Newark, New Jersey. Thank you, Miles Plus members, for your loyalty, and to all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United Express team is here to make sure that you have a great flight. While service is our passion, safety is our top priority. So please take a moment to review the safety instructions card and pay attention to the following safety demonstration, even if you are a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, please remove your face mask before putting on the oxygen mask. I will be performing the entire safety demonstration from the front of the cabin at row 1. Once completed, I'll perform all safety visuals from row 7.
Please take out the safety information card located in the seat pocket and follow along as I point out some of the safety features of the CRJ aircraft. The CRJ is equipped with the following emergency exits: the door through which you enter, a floor-level exit on the forward right side, and 2 window exits. Please take a moment to find the nearest exit to you, as well as an alternate exit. All exits are identified with red and white exit signs above and below. The aircraft is also equipped with escape path lighting. In the event your vision becomes impaired, follow the floor-level lighting and arrows, which will lead you to an exit. When exiting in an emergency, leave all carry-ons behind. At this time, check to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened low and tight. To fasten, insert the metal clip into the buckle. To tighten, pull the strap away from you. To release, simply lift up on the top plate of the buckle. Seatbelts are to be fastened at all times while seated. Should the need arise for a flotation device, your seat cushion can be used by pulling it up and forward, taking it from the aircraft with you. Once outside, slip your arms through the straps, pull the cushion to your chest, and then clasp your hands together. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. If the cabin pressure should change, a door above your head will open and a mask will fall. Grasp the mask inside and pull down to start oxygen flow. Slip the elastic band around your head, cover your nose and mouth with the yellow cup, and adjust with the side straps. Breathe normally. If occupying the lavatory, masks will be held within a retaining clip. Oxygen flow is controlled by altitude. At lower altitudes, the bag on the mask may not fully inflate. Be sure to check your own mask before assisting others. Continue to use the mask until advised by a crew member that oxygen is no longer needed. Smoking is not permitted on the aircraft. This includes the lavatory. Aircraft lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors, and the law prohibits anyone from tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations also require passenger compliance with lighted no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs, as well as all posted placards and all crew member instructions. Now check once again to make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, low and tight. All seat backs and tray tables are to be in an upright and locked position. Carry-on luggage must be placed beneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment. More detailed information can be found on the safety card. I'd like to suggest you take a moment to read this carefully before takeoff, and then return it to the seat pocket for future use. Thank you for your attention, and welcome aboard.
I'll be turning off the cabin lights for takeoff. I recommend that you fasten your seat belts over your outermost layer of clothing so that it is visible whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Additional lighting is available in the passenger service unit. It's located above you. Thank you again for flying with us, and I'll be back soon once we're in the air.